Good morning, women real estate investors. Ladies, my name is Caeli Ridge. I come to you live this morning from Ridge Lending Group. I am excited to be sharing with you just a very short soundbite about myself and the company as a means of introducing Ridge Lending Group and our special skill sets. I've been around the real estate investment circuit for over 20 years. I can hardly believe that that's a real number. Working specifically with investors to help achieve their financial freedom goals is as simple as I can put it. We specialize in the lending of the investor. We have a very diverse product line of loan products for them. I'm a real estate investor, so I think that holds a little bit of credibility. I've held 42 properties at any one time across the United States. So hopefully within my own personal experience and what I think is pretty extensive knowledge base, I'm able to help coach you guys in discovering and learning the how-tos and how-nots. I think none of us will disagree that the learning curve in real estate investing, just standing on its own merits, is pretty intensive. And I'm often quoted as saying, when you start to layer in the financing on top of all of that, that it exponentially increases that learning curve. And I'll tell you that for a lot of people that I talk to on a day-to-day basis, I find that it is the financing element of real estate investing that's the most overwhelming, and even for a lot of women, maybe even a little intimidating. But clearly, you guys, it's the leverage or the use of other people's money, as they say, that gives us the greatest rate of return on our investment. So I think it's crucial for the individual to have some baseline understanding, some definitions about what's going on in that black box of underwriting guidelines that they're going to want to be prepared to understand and then further optimize, right, as they continue to buy and sell and refinance and 1031 exchange. And again, hopefully that's where we come in. I think it's a value add. If I wanted to just kind of close out with that, Ridge Lending Group is known for its education, that of the investor. We're very proud of that fact. It's a moving target, so it's constantly evolving, and we're constantly standing by to help all of our clients in maximizing everything they can from a financing perspective and beyond. I look forward to hopefully speaking with each and every one of you that are listening to this. Thank you for your few minutes of time. If you need to reach us, our website is www.ridgelendinggroup.com. You can reach us toll free at 855-747-4343. That's 855-74-RIDGE is an easy way to remember. Or you can email us at info@ridgelendinggroup.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.